As they say, cheers, little Godzilla. They are the only lizards in the world that find their food in the sea in the form of algae. Marine iguanas live in the Galapagos Islands and neighbor with flightless cormorants, which make their nests from the same algae. Therefore, the iguana doesn't mind eating the birds home. Unfortunately, just because they are neighbors doesn't mean they are friends, so you have to dive for food. Marine iguanas are capable of holding their breath for an hour in search of food, but hypothermia can set in much sooner. After nibbling greenery from the rocks, reptiles need to return to the shore for a portion of warmth, or in addition to sunbathing can be subjected to aggressive peeling from the crab. And these fountains from the nostrils of the mechanism of withdrawal of excess salt, which they absorb with food.